With a territory of 3.29 million square kilometers, India is the 7th largest country on Earth. India is huge, with vast areas covered by nature and wildlife, like tigers, elephants and rhinos, walking along really interesting and ancient sites. One of the most famous sites is the Taj Mahal, which is an incredible work of art. Taj Mahal is a mausoleum built with ivory white marble and was built between 1632 and 1653 using more than 1,000 elephants and 22,000 workers. Taj Mahal is surrounded by water fountains and a 300-meter or 980-foot garden which is taken care of immaculately. The Taj Mahal is covered with beautiful decorations both inside and out. Incredible how this was built so long ago. And no wonder it gets millions of tourists each year. Another impressive, if not even more impressive temple is the Khailasa Temple, cut out of a single rock somewhere in the 8th century. And I honestly don't know what's more impressive, the incredible detail of the temple or the fact that they managed to carve an entire temple out of a rock vertically. And these temples are just two of all temples and ancient buildings in India. It would take too long to show them all, so let's jump right into Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine is famous around the world, with Indian restaurants found in almost every country. Because India is so huge, it has different climates and different cuisine developed in over 8,000 years across India. And again, it's too much variety to cover in a short video. But some staples in Indian cuisine are rice, whole wheat flour and different fresh fruits. Spices are a big part in a lot of Indian food. So if you're not used to spicy food, I'd recommend butter chicken and some naan bread. The Indian food has influenced a lot of other countries' food as well, due to all the trading that's been going on for hundreds or even thousands of years. Hindi is the official language of India, but most people in India understand and can speak at least some English. In fact, India is the 3rd largest English-speaking country, since they have such a big population and are taught English at school. India has incredible wildlife with elephants, tigers and rhinos living in the nature. If you want to see one, I'd recommend visiting a sanctuary and not looking for a wild one in the woods. They have 2 major rivers flowing through India, Brahmputra and Ganga, and over 50% of the population depend on just those 2 rivers for food and water. If you're looking for scenic nature, India is probably the place to go. Waterfalls, mountain chains, an entire valley of flowers. And India ranks in the top 10 countries with the highest forest type diversity, so you will definitely find something that you want to see. India has over 1.3 billion people walking the streets, so you might want to visit less known or busy places, since it can be very crowded. Sikkim is a great less visited place. It's impossible to go through all the ancient temples, food and culture of India in just a short video. It has so much history and developed culture behind it. When I researched India, I found a lot of interesting facts about their temples that I couldn't put in this video. Let me know if you want a video of that in the comments. But I hope this video gave you an idea of India and their culture. This is the first video in a new series, so let me know what country you want to see next. Thank you for watching and stay interested.